Hi, welcome to a community learning video to cover the portable credit card machine available to development workers to take payment whilst out in the field. The portable credit card terminal works over Wi-Fi. It's been set up already to work with our portable Wi-Fi hotspots, these things, and also to work with the Wi-Fi at the park. It's also possible to have your smartphones, should you have them, set up so that the devices will connect automatically. The terminal does have a battery inside, however the battery life is very poor, and so we'd always advise you to take the cradle with you out into the field to ensure that it works. We'll now bring the camera a little closer and take a look at taking the payment. Okay, now the machine is turned on and it's plugged into the main so it won't switch off. We'll look at some basic operation of the credit card machine. At the moment you can see on the top of the terminal it says ESL mobile. As you can see, we've got our portable hotspot turned on and this machine's automatically jumped on. That takes about 30 to 40 seconds for the credit card machine to actually jump onto the correct Wi-Fi. Now it is possible to connect this to any Wi-Fi hotspot, however it does involve reconfiguration of the unit, so we'd advise you to speak to tech support first, which is me. Okay, so looking at the terminal, the basic operation we're going to do is taking a payment. So to do this, all we have to do is type in the amount we wish to take. Now, as this is my credit card, what we're going to do is just start with £1. So what we do is type in 1, and you'll notice that you've got 2 decimal places, so you need to press that multiple times to get £10. £1. So £1 will be taken from my card. That's all you have to do each time, just type in the correct amount for the course or whatever service you're providing and hit enter. Now it would ask you to present, insert or swipe card. This is contactless enabled, so people can use their mobile phones or the contactless chip on their card. We'll be showing you the chip and PIN version for this video. Obviously this will only take up to £30 on contactless, which most of our courses will be more than, so it may well be you never use the contactless function. But if they do, they just need to hold their card up against the machine. So we now take our card and slide it into the chip and PIN machine. It will check the card and it will ask me for my PIN. So I'll just input my PIN, keeping it secret from the camera, and hit enter. I'll say PIN accepted, make the transaction, which shouldn't take too long hopefully. And it prints out the customer receipt, which is the receipt obviously we give to the learner. We pull that off. If we're happy that's printed okay, and sometimes it won't if the till roll doesn't work properly, we hit enter and it will print, it asks to remove the card, which we give back to the customer. Now it prints the merchant receipt. That's the one we keep. We hit enter if that's okay, and that's the process finished. For our purposes, we would like you to write on the back of here the name of the person who's made the transaction, as well as the code of the course they're on, so we can use that for our filing afterwards. So move that to one side. It's also possible to issue a refund if you've made a mistake, and to do this, you hit menu, refund's the first option, and we use this OK button middle. To select refund, we key in the amount. So I'm going to put that £1 back onto my card, and it asks us to present the card again, which I will now do. Which I'll do upside down, because I'm such an expert with using credit card machines. Okay, it asks for the supervisor code, which admin can provide to you. And it will do the same process again. And so there we go, there's our refund issued. Tear off, we check it, and we remove the card. Okay, it says signature okay, yes, we get them to sign the refund, and then it prints customer receipt. So hopefully we'll have to do that, but the option is there if required. Now at the end of a course, what we'd like you to do, not the end of a course as such, but I suppose the end of an enrolment session, is to do a tally. So once you've taken 5 or 6 people's payments, press menu again, and we want to do totals, so we select totals, and it's end of day banking. Again, supervisor code will be given to you when you take the machine out. End of day banking, yes. and this just commits all those transactions up to the bank, and we'll get a load more pins in. Okay, banking complete. Total receipt, is it okay? Yes, we're happy with that. Hit enter and the machine goes back to normal. A couple of other points. If we turn the machine around, this is how you change the till roll. Just lift this flap up and then the whole thing comes down and the till roll just drops inside with the feed up that way. And if the machine goes to sleep because it's not on the cradle, so it's not on power, all you need to do is just press the OK button and it will light back up again and you can carry on. Or you can simply just start typing in the amount and the machine will go live. So that's a quick overview of our WorldPay credit card machine which operates over Wi-Fi.